今天你们要上第二课 Lesson2 Dialogue 1. So today your task will be listen to the video of the first dialogue of Lesson2 and practice reading all these words in Dialogue 2, Dialogue 1, Lesson 2. And I will put a Quizlet. So you are going to do the right and the flashcard of Lesson 2, Dialogue 1. 好的，好，我们来开始。I just want to show you how to use it. So if you click on video, it's going to show up a story for you.
高文忠，那是你的照片吗？
是。
好，我们看一下，这是高文忠，他是中国人还是美国人？对，他是美国人。那这是谁呢？我们接下来看。
这是我爸爸，这是我妈妈。
这个女孩子是谁？
她是我姐姐。
这个男孩子是你弟弟吗？
不是，他是我大哥的儿子。
好，他是王鹏，对不对？王鹏和高文忠，他姓王，他叫王鹏。王鹏是中国人还是美国人？啊，对，他是中国人。
大哥有女儿吗？
他没有女儿。
好的，我们看一下，你可以用 you can use this video to play the dialogue. I want you to do that all the time. If you are reading, please try to read by this first and then see if you can read by this later for your recording. Okay? 好的，so there's an important part here. 高文忠说不是，他是我大哥的儿子。大 is big, 哥 is brother, right? Big brother, like oldest brother. 大哥的儿子。好，我们来看一看，接下来vocabulary 那的照片。So all these I think won't be that hard. I just want to go over some key vocabulary with you. 照片 photo picture. We haven't had that yet. 这 this 这是 this is 这是。女 this is a hard word for pronunciation. Please read at me. 女很好，女谁 Okay, and then let's see here. 他姐姐男弟弟女儿儿子 You can see same R here. R means kid. 女 is female kid. 儿子kid is a son. So son and daughter, right? 女儿儿子。高文忠 is just a name. 高 is tall. 文忠高文忠。好 so here is the audio. So oftentimes you can like press this.
Lesson 2,
to the vocabulary.
Dialogue 1, Vocabulary. 1.
那
That. 2.
的
A possessive or descriptive particle.
Just want to show you an example here. I will stop here. So let's see. Yes, the other side will come up, and if you click on that, there's no content, no audio for this part. Alright, 女儿儿子 these are the important ones. 大哥好 So today your homework will be read over the this part, dialogue 1, and the vocabulary 1 to 21 in a video posted on Seesaw or attach it in Google Classroom. I would rather you post on Seesaw, then I can give you like pronunciation feedback on Seesaw if it's doable for you. Alright, and that's it. Don't forget. 好，再见. Have a good day.